No great graphics. I am no editor. My voice is not charismatic. Who cares? I am no radio jockey. Videos are boring? Of course they are, since I am boring. I am a boring trader. All I have is a great bank account and knowledge. Right now, I am ready to share my knowledge. That's it. This is gold. Welcome to Simple Forex. I think I have already given you lecture about what happens in last 12 days before, so you already know it. And I have already given you news items in Euro USD, so I think you also know it. But I'll repeat it one more time. Why I'm making this video? I'm making this video because there is a big news around 1:15 p.m. GMT time. Eurozone is going to declare interest rate decision, right? Deposit rate facility. So that is a very important news that can work as a trigger. And then at 1:30 there is news from US, and at 1:45 there is EU press conference. So that is the thing that you need to keep in mind. And one more thing, at 1 p.m. GMT time, I'll be available to answer all of your questions. So if you have any question in your mind as a trader, you can ask me. And I will prefer if you guys ask me psychological questions, because that are more important. Because see, whatever I'm telling you in these charts, I think you already know these things, right? Or you have read something, right? You can ask me anything, book recommendation and all that, right? Anything you want, any kind of question is okay. Actually, psychological questions are more tough to answer, because to answer them you need a lot of experience, and I have that. Anyways, we'll stop the lecture here. I some tomorrow, from tomorrow I'll record this thing where I talk about news and daily things, right? In the Euro SD session I also talk to you about this thing where you know uh, 98% people lose money, and they have to lose money because we need to get that money. It's a zero sum game. It's not a morally right thing and all that. If you'll go into moralities of markets, then you will be disappointed. 98% people have to lose money so that you can make some. Now you have to decide which side you are, 98% people side or 2% people side. Right? I said the same thing in EURUSD session, and now again I'm saying the same thing. So this is a little bit frustrating. So what I'll do tomorrow, I'll record this separately. Anyways, now this is gold. You see this thing, this range. You see this range, this and this. This is a very good support. 4255 is a very good support. So every time it get closer to this, I'll suggest you buy with this stop loss. I think that is going to work. But one more thing that I want you to do is to keep in mind in this particular thing, right? 4353 is the resistance. I do not see this resistance getting broken away on its own. Then what do I see? It can only be, broken away with enough strength and a trigger. And interestingly, if you'll see, RSI is at 54. That means RSI still have some strength remaining with itself. So it can be very interesting, very interesting to see if that resistance is broken with today's news. If it gets broken, then next target is 4450, and even if that target is met, then guys, get ready for the big target, because the next target is 4950 or 5000. But it can only happen if this gets broken and RSI is somewhere near 60. Then you will see the jump of 10%. Let's see. It can also happen that the news bring it down here or somewhere here. So next support is this. Okay. So you guys, can ask me anything uh, tonight or today, whatever time it is in your watches at GMT 1 p.m. Okay. Yes, I know. Yesterday, many people from US complained that that time was not feasible for them. But why would I care? I am a trader, and I am giving you time that I have. Right? I'm not a YouTuber. Okay. Anyways, I think you got it now that I'm not a YouTuber at all because I don't do normal things. Anyways, take care, guys. I'll see you when I see you. All the best. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Take care.